I was doing HD, but for some oddball reason, it was flickering the camera every time the lightning would come. I know the storm's pretty energetic, but I mean, this stuff is blowing up right over Manchester. If you look at the radar, it's going nuts. Oh yeah!
Awesome!
And guess what? My camera didn't flicker. That's going on YouTuber.
The bum's right down there shitting himself.
Bum just changes. Oh yeah.
Ass of the fucking.
Bum just changes underpants.
Exactly. The first time in 6 months.
I think I get some rain on the lens. Nope. We're good.
Good, hopefully wash that sticky shit away.
Screen looks a little hazy.